Now, eviction moratoriums have ended, so what does that mean for landlords and tenants?
Fox News' Vic Fowles gets answers in this week's Legal Lens with Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary.
In Missouri, a lease does not have to be in writing. Whether it's in writing or whether it's oral, a renter and landlord have certain rights and things that they are allowed to. For instance, landlords have the right to collect rents, pursue evictions for lease violations, or reimbursement for damaged property. And renters have the right to a safe, habitable dwelling and the right to report health and safety violations without any repercussions for reporting them.
So when can a landlord actually pursue an eviction?
So without any notice, if you've missed rent payments, a landlord can pursue eviction. If you are in violation of the terms of your lease, usually they have to give you or a renter a 10-day notice to cure or quit those violations. And the last reason they can often evict is if there are illegal acts happening on the rental property. And depending on the severity of those acts, they may or may not have to give you a 10-day notice. And depending on what kind of lease you have, there are certain notice or time notice requirements for an eviction. So for instance, if you're a month-to-month, you get a 30-day notice to leave the premises. If it's a year-to-year lease, 60-day notice. If it's an at-will lease, meaning it's an oral lease, there's not a defined time, Missouri requires a 30-day notice to vacate the premises. But anytime a landlord in Missouri starts eviction proceedings, they have to file with the court. It's called an unlawful detainer, and the renter has to be served with process of service, and they get a chance to respond in court.
So when can a renter seek to terminate a lease?
So it depends on the terms of the lease, but very common ones are if there's an early termination clause and it lists events and you followed the lease, or if you're active duty military and you've been called to service, or again, your property is uninhabitable or unsafe, or the landlord harasses you.
You can catch the Legal Lens every Wednesday right here on Fox 2 News at 6.